Hi, this is a little writing of mine about nature. I hope you enjoy it. Nature. If there is a power that be within our sphere of human lives, deserving of our worship, it is nature. Nature does not ask us to capitalize her name when we write about her. Nature is not jealous of God, demanding that we only worship nature. Nature does not hide from us, speaking only through men who tell us he will someday come to judge us. We cover her with blacktop and spew her with smoke and filth, yet still, nature could care less if we refer to it using female gender. Nature loves a poor woman in prison accused of crimes she did not even commit, equally to the richest men in the world. Even if it is only as a child looking through a peephole from our crafts in outer space. Nature lets us view her nakedness, and she is not ashamed. Nature did not have to die for our sins to prove she loves us. Nature is all around us. Nature is inside us. There is no way to escape or question her love. If anyone should find these statements anti-religious, you need not fear. Rest assured, nature could care less whether you believe in God or not. Nature was before man ever thought of God.